What's up, y'all? Peace, love, and light. It's a granddad's day. Nigga walking by the street, so I gotta talk loud and whatnot. Feel me? But man, this video gonna be kind of quick, so I'm gonna try to kind of get it out. But you know, I told y'all I was gonna get to my what the frick? I was gonna wake up. I was gonna get my U-Haul supposed to be checking out, but it's like, you know, a nigga got what the frick they call that hoe? Nigga had what is that bitch? I'm trying to think, yo. Oh, so much going on, y'all. But anyways, I was saying that I had ended up getting a U-Haul. I'm put the device closer so y'all can hear me. I was supposed to be waking up like at 7:30, but the thing is I was up to like 2, 3, or like 4. I think 4 or something like that. 3 or 4:30 a.m. 4:30 or 3:30 a.m. And I was supposed to be and then I got up. I remember looking at the alarm clock and I ended it. Then I went back to sleep, and then I woke up. So then I woke up the next day, and then the key at my hotel, like the dead, is like dead. So then I had to go get that fixed. That's fixed a little bit, but it's got to get fixed tomorrow. It's supposedly, but they don't know that I'm checking out tomorrow, because you know, something like their business. You know. Oh, but that guy or whatever, the guy, I guess the manager is there. Finally saw him. This is my first time ever seeing him inside. Cause you know, one of the workers, you know, that bitch, she had sit there and told off and said something like, and she said that, oh, she was telling me how I can check out and stuff like that. That bitch right there, she was she told him, like, she said he's the one who called. You know, talking in code because I had called corporate on them, you know, for, you know, the awful service. I mean, 2 weeks I didn't get proper heat, and I was telling somebody about it, and it's still not proper heat. You know, actually, it really still isn't proper heat. It's not getting hot enough, and I was getting a runaround for 2 weeks, bro, and I'm still paying on time. How ridiculous is that? So with that being said, hopefully y'all can hear me clearly. But yeah, so with that being said, you know, I told him, he's like, oh, okay, yeah. He wasn't really trying to hear. He just didn't want me to call corporate. I know that. So, but anyways, I had to get my room key fixed or whatever, and they said he's gonna be back tomorrow, but I should be planning on leaving by tomorrow. I just walked to the U-Haul, but apparently they closed down there, like they're entirely closed. I know they had other places down, but this one right here is, how you say, frick you call it. This right here is, They moved to the other location. They got this other stuff. So I'm just walking down there so I can get me a U-Haul truck. I don't really know how it goes. I'm kind of curious to how it goes. You know what I'm saying? But another thing is too, you know, when I started walking out that way, that was the furthest distance I really had walked away. I really started to tell that, like, you know, I started to feel like the pain and like the stiffness and the soreness from my hip. I noticed that, and I was like, dang. You know, just when you think, you know, you're getting better. I guess I am getting better, but I kind of had to give myself, like, you know, the realization that, you know, I really had to teach myself how to walk. So basically, I had to teach myself how to walk again in about a week. Because, you know, when I'm telling you, with my hip, like, I barely could walk. Like, I couldn't get out the bed. I was in the bed for hours when it immediately happened. But when I couldn't, like, so I was like, it was like a challenge for me to take my dog out. I didn't know how I was going to do it. So, I was like very, very limping. Like, it was so much pain. It was excruciating pain. And, you know, the help of fasting most definitely helped. But it's like, I guess man's got to do it now. I'm actually fasting. I haven't eaten. Only thing I did, I've been drinking ginger tea. Had a cup of ginger tea today. And I had some water. You know what I'm saying? But it's just kind of like a reminder. It's like, dang. Whew. I'm a little tired though. Maybe I'm tired because like my body's not used to what do they call it? My body is not used to how do you call the freaking thing? My body's not used to, I guess, exerting itself because all the bodies connect, you know what I'm saying? I had to use muscles and whatnot. Oh, I see the trucks. Oh, I can see the trucks line up. Then I go out and pick one. Okay, let me go ahead and look. They're gonna make me walk through this hoe. But anyways, like I said, y'all, I'm literally in the U-Haul parking lot. So man's had to get a U-Haul and stuff. But yeah, I know if y'all want to book a consultation, y'all can do that. Send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration. Or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. Links in the description box. Go get you guys a course. Get you guys a course for sure. You guys want to start your own business. You guys need to, especially this corona. You know, it's lockdown and all this other stuff going around. Make sure you guys go do that. Y'all have a great day, okay? If I haven't said it already, like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification. All right, peace, love, and light.